You need to try my new amazing potato skins. Oh my God, they are crispy, and delicious. Risa Weiner YouTube. Hey guys, it's me Risa. I just have another tip for you today. I love my Starfrit Rotato to make, guess what I'm making? Potato skins. So, you know, when you're peeling your potatoes, don't throw out the skins, my friends. So many amazing nutrients in the skin. Add a little olive oil, a little bit of salt, put it in whatever air fryer. We have a toaster oven air fryer, Cuisinart. I love it. I use it every day. And my Rotato that I got on Amazon, I believe, several years ago. And this one is an electric. I used to have an electric one, and I prefer this one so much more. And it just simply, it's better when you use two hands, of course, but you can see that when you do use two hands, it is super quick. And then I just cut off the ends. And if you're making mashed potatoes, potato latkes, whatever you're making, fritters, okay, hash browns, don't throw out your skins. And I'm going to be crisping these up soon. And they are a great side dish or a snack. Risa Weiner YouTube for lots more ideas and tips and, of course, recipes. So I've taken half the amount of the potato skins. I added a sprinkle of some pink Himalayan salt that I like to use. Hard to do with one hand, so I've already done it. And then I just take some olive oil and about, I don't know, a tablespoon or so. And then I just take my hands to massage it all together. Probably a little bit less olive oil next time. And then I put it on my air fryer sheet. Depending on what kind of air fryer, I have a toaster oven Cuisinart one. And I like all these other little bits. I'm going to put it on 400 and they should be ready in about 10 minutes, and I'll show you how they look. So I've just put them into my air fryer at 400, and we're going to try for 10 minutes. Let's see how they come out. 10 minutes in, and they're definitely not ready. So we're going to add them for another 10 minutes. They're almost ready. I actually turned it up to about 450 just for the last couple of minutes. And then you can see they're crisping and getting nice and brown, but I like them to be a little bit more crispy. Okay, so I'm putting them back in for another couple of minutes. It wasn't quite 10 minutes yet. I was just checking them. Here they are. They look amazing. Can't wait to try them. Okay, here they are, before and after. Hi, it's me. Oh my God, these are amazing. Of course, you know, I had to try some, and they are so delicious. You hear that crisp? So you can eat them just like this. You can make a simple dip for it. A dill dip would be delicious. A ranch dip, a sriracha dip, anything you want. So don't forget to check out this recipe, Risa Weiner YouTube. So easy. Enjoy.